In this video, let us continue to solve more problems based on transformation formulae, and we have a question right away which reads like this. It says, transform the following products into the sum or difference of sines and cosines. Well, nothing different from the previous video. As far as the question is concerned, there was just change here, its transform, which is all the same, but we may see a little slight bit of change in the question. The first question is, one of the many products that we're going to transform is sine 75 and cos 15 degrees. So the first question that would strike anybody's mind who knows the four transformation formula is that where is the 2 missing here? Right, that's going to be the question. Although this is of the form sine A sine B, well, let us get the formula. It's 2 sine A cos B. So it is 2 sine A cos B equal to sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. So now since this 2 is not there, what we're going to do is we're just going to take this much and send this 2 here naturally. That's what is going to happen. So as a result of which we're going to get sine A cos B equal to half of whatever it was already. So half of sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Nothing very different here. That's the only change that's going to be there in this video from the previous video. So sine 75 cos 15, just substitute in this formula. We're going to get half times sine A plus B, which is 75 degrees plus 15 degrees, plus sine of A minus B, which is 75 degrees minus 15 degrees. So what we are going to get is half of sine 90 degrees plus sine 60 degrees. So this is what we are going to get, and this is going to be in brackets because that half applies to the whole thing here, right? So it's going to be half of sine 90 degree plus sine 60 degrees. So the transformed form of sine 75 degrees multiplied by cos 15 degrees is half of sine 90 degrees plus sine 60 degrees. Alright, so that ends that problem. Let's quickly solve another problem. So the next problem is cos 75 degrees times cos 15 degrees. So what are we going to do here? The 2 is missing again. So what is cos A cos B? So 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, right? So we do not have 2 cos A cos B, we just have cos A cos B. So cos A cos B equals half of cos A plus B. This 2 comes to the right hand side, then you get cos A cos B. So half of cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B, right? So this is going to be in brackets. Alright, so coming back to the problem, we just have to substitute. So this cos 75 into cos 15 is going to be half times cos 75 degrees plus 15 degrees plus cos 75 degrees minus 15 degrees. So half of cos 90 degrees plus cos 60 degrees. Not very different from the sine thing, except that this is sine and this is cos. Otherwise, the transformed formula is pretty much the same for both sine 75 degrees cos 15 degrees and cos 75 degrees cos 15 degrees. Well, it's not at all same, it's different. Sine, it's cos, but the pattern is pretty much the same. But I'm sure you have got the gist of what is transformation formula all about. You know, it is a formula that transforms products of trigonometric expressions into the sums or differences of sines and cosines. So that's what it is. So that ends the second problem, and it ends this video as well. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on transformation formula.